All right. It's that time again.
Hello.
Wow, I really need to color my hair.
Yes, she does. She needs to do mine too. Can you see the gray?
My daughter last night, as we were doing cookies,
Mm-hmm.
took and put flour at her roots and then ran around saying she looked like her mama.
Which one, Olivia? Oh, Ella.
Ella. All right. So we got Christmas box.
Woohoo! We're excited. So excited.
Snack crate holiday 2021. Kind of excited.
I mean, I am
Kind of
too.
scared.
Okay, you give me box or card, and you do box today. All right, so we're gonna start with what is that?
The fruit pastellis.
Okay, so Round Tree gummies. These soft little orbs of flavor from the UK are made with real fruit juice. We've included either the fruit pastellis or random assortment.
Well, this says fruit pastellis and it's vegan friendly. Not like that matters to me.
Doesn't matter. I like my meat. Kind of cute. It reminds me.
Oh, they're shaped like
fruit.
the fruit.
Okay. All right. I like these better than our fruit juice. The fruit slicers things. They're like that thick jelly. Ugh. I don't like them.
Pretty good.
But these are good. All right.
Have good flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll just go with what's on top.
All right.
Sweet Chaos drizzled popcorn.
So you're feeling festive with every bite of this kettle cooked popcorn drizzled in sweet and dark icing plus a bit of peppermint flakes. There's a little chew in there.
I know.
Okay.
And so
they included
we have
a drink this time. Oh. Cute.
I see the little pieces of peppermint. Like it.
I'm sure you do. Yucky.
I like peppermint.
All right.
Diamonds, Hawaiian cookies, candy cane.
So jumpstart your holiday spirit with a bite of these fresh, crunchy Hawaiian shortbread cookies oozing with pieces of peppermint candy cane. Why does that not sound like something that we should be putting in our
Well,
mouths?
this is what they look like.
I
You can see the little pieces of candy cane, but the rest of it is just
cookie crumbles.
It's crumbles.
But okay, I feel like this would be like a Hawaiian sweet roll and adding peppermint. That's not bad.
It's like a candy cane.
Yeah, good.
Bam.
Ooh.
Haribo. I don't know. The rest is in some other language.
The perfect snack for the most magical time of the year. This bag of festive-shaped gummies features an assortment of complex and fruity flavors. And I'm not going to try to pronounce that because it looks like it's German or potentially Swedish.
Yeah, that's
so
what I'm saying. I don't.
The name.
I wish it said from what country.
From where? The only one that so far has said that is the fruity ones.
Oh, they smell. Some of them have that white coating, and some don't. Oh, cute! Look at the little Christmas tree.
Okay, so.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Cheers.
Candles.
I like anything they make, though. Those are good.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We haven't
So
spit
far, I'm
anything out.
pretty impressed. Miski.
Okay. These wonderful fruit teddy bear shaped gummies are too cute to resist. Don't let their small size fool you. These bears are packed with a big flavor. I'm still chewing.
Yep.
Oops. They're sticky.
They just look like the Haribo.
They smell pretty strong. Ooh. Holy. to think of those. Almost tastes like a cross between like fruit snacks and regular gummy bears.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they're fruitier. They're good.
They're more soft than what our gummies
Mm.
are. With our gummy bears.
Right.
The Milka.
Milka Santa Claus. This Santa-shaped stocking stuffer is produced with the same rich and decadent alpine milk chocolate that led Milka to fame in 1901. Oh, we know how I like those, huh?
Alrighty, so it's just a hollow milk chocolate with Santa's face. Yep, see, it is hollow. Just rip a chunk off.
Alright, bon appetit. Here you go.
That's chocolate.
Yeah.
Nothing.
I have that nasty aftertaste to it.
Someone come let the dog out.
Dairy milk. Okay, Cadbury buttons. What would the holiday be without some delicious bite-sized pieces of famous Cadbury chocolate? This treat is simply irresistible and has and is cute as a button. At least they didn't
Olivia.
send us nasty stuff yet.
Oh, and it's multiple little
Oh,
bags.
of buttons, which we would melt down and make something out of. Would you like one?
There's even a writing on the back. I mean, they even have Cadbury
Really?
into the.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm Cadbury.
I mean, I find, it's real hard to go wrong with Cadbury, though.
Okay.
Maltesers reindeer. Take it. Is it good?
The only
Chocolate.
thing better than the delightful richness of this malted candy is when the silky chocolate is enrobed with slowly melts in your mouth. Interesting. I think they had something
We're gonna
like that.
share the ears.
All right.
The antler. It's the only thing hard I'm getting lately.
Oh. Winter.
Luckery or
One bite never tasted so delicious. Enjoy a creamy coconut center, melt with a milk chocolate coating over the top of a decadent holiday treat. Alrighty. Mighty Batman.
Ooh.
Neither one of us are fans of coconut. So, like, alright. You haven't spit anything out yet? Okay.
It's not overpowering.
No. But still tastes like you just ate a handful of shredded coconut.
Mm. Oodles.
Alright. Oodles Dreidels. A big hit with kids during Hanukkah. The sweet and tangy fruit chews are loaded with flavor and come in unique dreidel shaped packaging.
Dreidel. Okay, so we got two of them. Blue raspberry and then the assorted fruit.
Let's do blue raspberry.
Okay.
And these are like nerds. I think they look like nerds. Or feel like nerds.
Yeah, they are. They're just a little bigger than
Dreidel.
I think our nerds are.
Okay.
They're chewy.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Oh. I don't know what I think of that. It reminds me of a Tootsie Roll. Those fruit chew Tootsie Rolls that
The
have
more
that
you
after.
chew it, though.
More, that's gross.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Well, we're one for how many, though?
Yeah. Okay. So one of these,
All right.
Lebkuchen.
Yeah. Cozy up for holidays with this traditional German snack featuring a chewy gingerbread pretzel coated with rich dark chocolate. Oh, boy. I don't like gingerbread cookies.
Kind of white. I don't like it. No, I like it. I don't like it.
I don't like gingerbread. Ugh.
Press 3 to tell that you think about him all the
I
time.
don't want to. Yellow.
We already.
I don't know what. I tried some new Mexican garland brought over. Okay, well, grab something. All right,
Hi, hubby.
bye.
That was rude. Alright, he's rude. Twix. Winter Twix Spice. Meet your new winter indulgence. This festive treat mixes the flavors of a Twix bar with a dash of cinnamon and ginger spice. Basically, gingerbread.
Yeah, just like what we ate there. Covered in Chonglang caramel string in them.
I'm not even gonna eat that. That's gonna come right out of my mouth. Oh no, don't feel bad. No, I do not.
It's not as overpowering as.
No.
I just need the white fluff by me.
Yep, here you go. Ugh, that's nasty. Never know who decided that that would make a great flavor, but y'all are wrong for that.
Okay, we got one left.
All right. Alpinia chocolate. Delight your taste buds with chocolate made from dairy found in the Alpine region of Europe. Enjoy either milk chocolate, orange, or peanut variety. And we don't know what we have. Milk chocolate.
Oh.
I'm really worried to try that drink. Get Mom and I a cup. Olivia,
For what?
so we can try this drink.
Yeah, we just need a couple small cups.
They have a cute design on there. We have a whole nother box. Bunny. Nope. No, ma'am. No, sir. No, thank you.
All right. So we just have
Thank you, sweetie.
the Jewel Must. I'm really
A true
the
Swedish
ginger that
holiday favorite. This unique soda is blended with the perfect mix of lively Coca-Cola and refreshing root beer flavors.
get on the
Oh, that's stinky. Whew!
Sammy.
It smells like some sort of
Cleaner.
yeah,
Supply.
like
It's like, what is that?
it does.
Maybe if it wasn't warm, but
I don't like it. I don't like it.
oh my god, what does that smell like? Smells like something you would like smell when you walk into like a hotel or
The
like
cleaner.
yeah, it's
Is
It does.
overpowering?
oy.
They're not good.
Nope.
I don't even think cold it would be good.
Maybe your husband will drink it.
So, all right, that's it for the Christmas edition. We'll be back.